What's up, Electric All Wheel? We are here with the Lectric XP2.0 step-through model. And what we've done is we have ordered a sample controller that matches the factory controller connections, but allows for the plug and play in the existing wiring system with an unrestricted throttle up to the PAS 28 miles per hour. So with the throttle, you don't get restricted at 20 miles per hour. It will allow you to run in that velocity at a faster rate than the 20 miles per hour unrestricted. Now this controller is actually physically smaller than the factory controller, which we like, but we've already tried this on another bike and we can actually hear it rattling around. So that's something you're going to want to think about if you're going for long-term installation for this. I'm just going to open this bike up, switch out the factory controller, there's another one in there, and then go ahead and plug this in and then just have it on the single battery so you can see it exceed the typical 20 miles per hour limit that you have on throttle only. If you haven't already, check out E-Bikes of Tampa Bay, Florida. If you are in the area, join that group and set up an event. Ask your fellow e-bikers to go take a ride with you. YouTube is our primary, so please give us a like and subscribe. Here we go. All right, here's the new controller. So be careful if you ever go about this, like these bullet connectors will bend on you, so hold both ends securely. So I'm looking at the ends, it's red and black. That's not it, it's this one. And there it is, just like that. So we had previously taken out, I'd forgotten about it, but keep in mind there is no dual battery setup on this. There we go. One. Perfect. All right, so we're out here on the Pinellas Trail, and I'm gonna get this thing going. You can see there is no second battery. We don't even have a balancer hooked up, so don't worry about that. And then I will point this thing and get you on the speedometer so you can see whether or not it breaks 20 miles an hour. All right, from a dead stop, I'm gonna let the bike do its thing. I'm not even gonna pedal. Now this is the first run. I haven't even seen it. I can already tell it's gonna exceed. We are on a slight incline. Let me go ahead and turn this around. We'll head downhill, likely see an increase in the speed. Except that I don't need to go 28, especially not one-handed. Holy cow. All right, that's a factory battery setup right there. Well, there you saw it, 26.2 miles per hour, throttle only. I didn't pedal at all. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm happy with the smaller size, so if we decide to do a dual battery installation, we will definitely put it internal to the controller compartment, which will allow much more room. We are working on a smaller dual battery discharge balancer for these bikes as well. They're going to be around. There were tens of thousands of these sold, so we're hoping to hit a niche for the availability of the controller. We're going to test this out some more before we actually get it on the website for sale, but we are very happy with the initial results. We got a plug-and-play scenario, plus 20 miles an hour. We are unrestricted. This is a factory display. We also have a replacement display that we're going to be trying out as well. I'll probably do that in another video or just get it done separately so that we can get it out there onto the website if everything works out. Haven't tested cruise control. The settings did work on the factory display in terms of what it was cutting off, so we like that as well. E-Bikes of Tampa Bay, Florida, if you're in the area, join the group, add to the wall, give us something to talk about, make an event, and get out there and ride with your e-bike friends. Check out all our social media. We have a YouTube page, which is our primary, so please give us a like and subscribe on that. Facebook page, we have Instagram, TikTok, Reels, and electricallwheel.com, where we try and bring it all together, and that's where our shop is as well. We will we don't really have anything to put in the description right now. This is just we'll call it a teaser video, if you will. We just wanted to put it out there, get some content out. I've been under the weather for the past couple of weeks, so this will be the first video back as we make a go at controller replacement for the Lectric XP 1.0, 2.0, and we are going to try and put this on a light. We'll let you know how that goes as well. And then from there, we'll see what we can do with the 3.0. We're just trying to address the problems that customers seem to be having, or the things that they say that they want. We're trying to make that possible. The reason why we stayed with the same specs of the new controller is so that the replacement of the wiring wasn't necessary. We didn't want to exceed any of the technical specifications that existed, except for the 20 mph throttle, but that exists for legal purposes. All right, we'll talk to you next time.